Hey MB crew, so we're gonna jump right in. So I'm starting off on my afro and I'm just gonna go ahead and section it off from front to back. My hair is thickening up a lot, so I have to go ahead and separate my hair into two. I used to be able to do it all in one, but it doesn't work like that anymore for me currently, so I'm just spraying down my hair with a bit of water. And I'm going to be using the ORS olive oil gel. It's not my absolute favorite. I ran out of my favorite, but it'll do for this particular style that we'll be doing today. So I am going to be adding a generous amount, obviously, because I want to get my hair up as high as possible. So with my brush and using my hands, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair going up, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth in the product as well with my hands. Don't be like me, I use way too much gel on the nape, but this gel tends to flake. That's why I'm telling you guys don't use it, because it does flake, but it does give good hold. But it's just not for me, but it worked for this tutorial. Anyway, so I'm gathering up my hair and I'm going to go ahead and put the first section into a ponytail. Literally going to do the same thing at the front section, spray it with some water. I'm going to apply some gel, but not to my edges. I have those brushed down already. And then I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it going back. So I don't know what was going on in that middle spot of my head, but it was kind of bulky. So I took my Y2 comb to it just a little bit, and it was just fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue brushing back until the hair meets the ponytail. So I just went ahead and gathered all the hair like so, and I added another ponytail holder, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it all together. Now I'm just smoothing it with my hands. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my hair with my scarves. And yes, my scarves are toe up, but the older they are, the better they lay. Okay, they work great. So I'm applying two, and I am going to go ahead and sleep like this overnight. Now it is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and take some Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm going to just literally lay that on my hairline. And then I'm just going to go ahead and swoop my edges around. The ponytail I'll be rocking is from YGWigs. This is their Kinky Straight Drawstring Ponytail. I got mine in 22 inches. And as you guys can see, it is kinky straight. You can use heat on this hair. You can curl it and things like that. It has two combs and a drawstring. It's super full and I love it. So I am spraying a bit of oil sheen on my hair. My hair was giving dull. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull the drawstring. And then I'm going to apply the comb front to back over my real hair. Ponytail is super easy to apply, and what I like about this ponytail, they offer it in different colors. I got mine in the natural color, but they do offer other colors. So I didn't straighten this hair because I wanted to wear it in its natural state with all the waves. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take these bobby pins and I'm just going to go ahead and secure it. Use however many you feel like, but like I was saying, I didn't want to press it out bone straight or anything because the texture matches my hair when it's slicked up, because my hair has those waves as well. So I really like that about kinky straight hair. Y'all know it's my favorite texture of straight hair. It just looks so bomb and so pretty, and look how full it is. So I'm just going to take a piece of the hair from the back and wrap it around the base and pin it in the back. Decided to go ahead and flat iron the ends because they were kind of a little wild and I wanted it to lay straight, but I didn't do the rest of the ponytail because I wanted to keep that texture that you guys are seeing because it goes so well with my hair. And this is just what it looks like, super full. I love it, so chic. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and spread out the hair and I'm going to go ahead and twist it around like a donut because we're going to go ahead and create a bun. I thought a bun would look really pretty with this hair, and it does. I'm just pinning the bun into place so that it doesn't fall out, and I'm just kind of like fluffing it and getting it to how I want it to look. This is how the bun turned out, so pretty. I love it. So make sure you guys check out YGWigs. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The ponytail that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below if you're interested.